Hi there. In this video, we will discuss how to return items to the vendor. In other words, how to complete a merchandise receive return. The first step is to access the vendor module. In order to do so, take the following steps. First, open your left navigation menu. Click on the vendor menu option. Then choose the vendor. For the purpose of this demo, we will be doing a return for the first vendor in the list. After selecting the vendor, click on the Remove tab. Click the Remove Inventory button. In the Open Context menu, we can choose whether we want to return items from all available products or only from specific merchandise receives. We will proceed with the return from the MR we created in the previous tutorial. In the Open section, we will be shown various return details. The most important thing is to select where to take inventory from either the main stock or a house account. In this tutorial, we will be removing inventory from the main stock. Once you are happy with your selection, you may click Next. In this section, we need to select the products that we are returning. Note that only items received from the merchandise receives will show up here. Items can be selected by scanning them with a barcode scanner, manually selecting in the list, or uploaded via spreadsheet using the Select from Excel or CSV button. Once you are happy with your selection, you may click Next. In this section, we can make final edits to the merchandise return. Those include adding the reasons for return, various costs, etc. Once you are happy with your selection, you may click Complete. That's it for creating and processing merchandise returns. Thanks for watching.